how to report Telegram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can report Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, reporting Telegram account, Telegram makes it a bit difficult. So let's say if it is a certain individual that you would like to report over here, right? Let's say you are inside a certain group, talking inside a certain group, you would like to report them to the Telegram. So if you select their profile and then you just tap the three dots option as well over here, you should be able to see we don't have the report option. Even if I try to block them, there is no block and report option. But what we can do is we can actually report them within the group. Now we can actually tap on their message and we can choose to report their messages to Telegram, or we can just reply to that message and then just type in slash and then type in report. This will not report to Telegram, but this will report this particular person to the admins of this group, and they can take actions against this group. This way you should be able to go ahead and then report Telegram accounts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.